applause. Congratulations on your academic and leadership achievements. It is wonderful to see that your hard work and perseverance in pursuing your life goal and commitment to excel finally paid off. But always remember, it takes two to tango, so please be grateful to your parents as well. Let us give them a round of applause as well. To guardians, sponsors, teachers, and non-teaching personnel, and all our stakeholders who provided you with the scaffolding to support your development, to learn the necessary competencies to hone your talents and skills. My dear awardees, continue to bloom and thrive in any challenges you have encountered in life while reaching your aspirations in life. Just like the stars around us, let your potentials
honors. Desire Faith M. Alpisalas with honor. Patrick Sheen G. Altar with honors. Hershane A. Artajo with honors. Kirby Ann Z. Bazuel with honors. Vittorio Marcus G. Cruz with honors. Sam Eldridge M. Dave with honors. Joely S. De Los Santos with honors. Ayesha Maybe Francisco with honors. Isaac Reed P. Garcia with honors. Angela Nicole P. Gavalina with honors. Rain Jovit P. Guevara with honors. Aliyah A. Gutierrez with honors. Joselle S. Inco with honors. Billy Joel P. Lago with honors. Sophia Maurice P. Noskin with honors. Eda Monique R. Lavendino with honors. Jaylord S. Lumahan with honors. CJ Romer L. Mape with honors. Maria Bernadette G. Martija with honors. Ricky Richard L.